Guys, di ko talaga ito mapapalampas. Sobrang init ng Senado ngayon. As in, nakakagigil. Yung gigil niya, talo ng gigil ko ngayon. May motion na mag-out na sila. Kinakalaban ni Bato.
380 pages.
Siyempre lalaban si Risa.
Ang dumating po.
Sumabit si Amy.
Doon pa lang, Mr. President,
Gustong
I agree
i-dismiss
with Senator
ang
Soto's
impeachment.
statement na somehow
Andito si
pinadali
ano?
or tignan natin.
Villanueva.
But again, Mr. President, my only concern here is that we have not yet convened as an impeachment court.
Yes, and
We
wala
probably dismiss
mo ang Senate
this
karapatan mag-dismiss.
Or even entertain the motion if we are already acting as an impeachment court. Let me go to my other point, Mr. President. The Senate lacks the power to dismiss
Exciting
an
masyado,
impeachment
no?
complaint and has no constitutional duty to proceed to trial. And that's why, Mr. President, if you recall yesterday, this representation mentioned that
Palaban si
notices
Amy
are very
dahil.
important when the minority leader made a motion
Sa
yesterday that
Teresin.
he wanted to stop our legislative work and proceed with the convening of the impeachment court.
Di ko to
And he
kayo
made
palampasin.
mention about the calendar of activities, kung kailan magsisimula, ano yung timelines, etc., Mr. President. And that's why I objected again, Mr. President. So, in the name of consistency, Mr. President,
Yes,
let me
nag-object
again
siya.
state for the record,
Sa
the
dismissal
power
ni ano ba
of
to?
initial determination belongs solely to the House of Representatives. You and I, Mr. President, were members of the House for quite a long time.
Yes.
We talk about it all the time, that it is the sole power of the House to
To what? Go.
determine
Yes, laban.
kung yung impeachment or articles of impeachment na itatransmit sa Senado ay mayroong required votes, etc., etc. At
Yes.
ang tanging
Kasi nga tinanggap nyo na.
sole authority naman ng Senado is to act as an impeachment court, not, Mr. President,
To
not as a
dismiss.
gatekeeper of the complaints sufficiency. Further, Mr. President,
In dismiss.
bears emphasis that the framers of the Constitution intended a clear division of roles. House initiates,
Walang
and the
dismiss
Senate
date.
tries and decides. Again, Mr. President, I am not even going to say whether or not I will support the motion of our dear colleague, Senator Bato de la Rosa. I'm just saying, Mr. President, that it should be posed, Mr. President, in the impeachment court. Last but not the least, Mr. President, the Senate as a legislative body, or even when it sits as an impeachment court, Mr. President, ito po yung ating posisyon, may not dismiss the impeachment complaint due to change of Congress. Impeachment, Mr. President, is a political discretion. It's not a political discretion, but a constitutional mechanism rooted in the principle that public office is a public trust.
Yes.
Alam na po natin lahat yan bilang mga lingkod bayan. Yung